Namaskar, this is Dr. Ravi. So, in the last class, I explained the terminology. Now, in this class, I will explain the basic movements, which part of the body, where it moves. So, these movements I will tell how which movement and how it is called. So, first I will start with my hand. That means fingers. This is making a fist. That means I'm squeezing my hand and make a fist. And this is I stretch my fingers and I open my palm. Okay, you can, when we close it or open, we are using our fingers. Okay, that means if I bend them, if I bend them or stretch them, when I stretch, I am opening my palm. Okay, so we use our hands to reach, the action should reach here or here or here. Okay, with fingers. Next, wrist. No, sometime we bend our wrist, we bend to the other side. Okay, this is bending. Elbow, bend elbow and extend the elbow or straighten the elbow. Shoulder, bend shoulder, this is bending of the shoulder, and the back the same, this is extension of the shoulder, extending my shoulder or forearm. And this is the side movements. I am moving my forearm to the side, or it is abduction, we say in medical terminology, abduction. And the same bone, if I move in, I am moving my bone in, forearm in, adduction I say. Okay, so this is movements. And one more moment, rotation. Here we can rotate also. This is rotation. In the neutral position, our body, mid side, this is the mid part of the body, and that is outside of the body. So rotation, there are two types, you see. So from neutral position, if I rotate from inside out, it looks like this, from inside out. And the same rotation from outside in, inside out, from outside in. So these are two rotation movements. Okay, this rotation you can do it in any hand position of the hand, like this rotation, like this. The same movement from inside out, outside in, same movement. And here also rotation, the same movement from inside out, from outside in. Okay, but we feel difference that I am not rotating from inside out or outside in, depending on the position of the hand, but the movement is called the same. Okay, 2. So this is the hand. Next, leg, toes. Okay, when I say stretch the toes, that means we have to fix the mounds first to the floor. That means I am pressing it, and from here I am stretching my toes. Okay, like stretching the fingers, like that, stretching the toes. Then you will feel the whole foot. When you stretch like this, you will feel the whole foot, how these muscles work. Okay, next, this is inner heel. In samasanas, like that we will stand. In samasanas, the other side, like this. When you do like this, these movements, depending on which part of the foot we stand, the load will be on different parts of the spine. Okay, so we usually say press the outer part of the foot, press the inner part of the foot. And sometimes when we press the inner part, this inner arch should not fall. Even though we press this inner part of the foot, we can lift the inner arches. Okay, inner arch we can lift. Next, ankles. Sometimes we use these ankles to squeeze, like this. I am squeezing my ankle, like I am tensing it. You feel as if you are squeezing them. Okay, and calf muscles tense. Calf muscles, they are relaxed and tense. I am tightening my calf muscles. Okay. Kneecap, knee joint. Kneecap, the one of the most common mistakes in the knee is pushing the knee back. Okay, this is, we should avoid this. We should not do this movement, never. Okay, of course, when you sit on the floor, that classical, then we'll say, but in standing position, never push it back. Okay, we say pull the kneecap up. You see the kneecap, it moves. When I pull it, it's coming up. When I relax, it's going down. Pull, relax, pull, relax. You see, relaxation, and pull, relax, pull. So this is the movement of the kneecap. Okay. Then thighs. These muscles usually they are very in dormant position. They sleep always. It's very difficult to activate them. So when I say tense these muscles, that means you should bring these two outer muscles close like this. You see, I'm making them move closer. This movement helps to tense these muscles, to activate these muscles, outer muscles. Okay. So next one, bending the knee. This is bending and this is extension. Bending, extension. Hip, moving the thigh out like this, and moving the thigh in this movement like a pendulum. Okay. The next one, bending the thigh. This is the bending movement of the thigh. Okay, and this is the extension of the thigh. And the last, rotation, like in the hand. Here also we have rotation. Okay, rotation movement from inside out and from outside in. Inside out, outside in. Okay, these rotational movements are very, very important to for this lower back. Okay, so if you want to do something here, we should use our leg. These rotational movements are very important. Next thing, when I rotate, you see when I'm rotating from inside out. When I rotate, my inner thigh moves forward and outer thigh moves back, because this is rotational movement. You see, like this. When I move inside from outside in, my outer thigh, this is outer thigh, this is inner thigh. Outer thigh to the front and inner thigh back. So this is rotational movements. Next, very important, tailbone. When we lift our chest up, usually we push our tailbone back, squeezing the lower back. Okay, so quite often we say tuck the tailbone in. Tailbone, tuck in. That means this movement. This movement. Pushing the tailbone, it means this one. This is pushing and this is tucking. Okay, pelvis should not move. At the spot, it's just curving. So this is very important moment when we want to take care of our lower back. Okay, so that is the thing. And the last one, shoulder blades. So if I bend my hand and touch here, I can feel a bone. It comes out of the ribs. This bone is shoulder blade. So if I want to stretch my thoracic vertebra or neck vertebra, I have to activate this shoulder blade. So it will activate only with the help of arm. When I rotate my upper arm from outside in, the shoulder blades goes into the body. The shoulder blades sucks into the body like a vacuum, like that. It sucks into the body. Okay, this makes to lift the chest bone up and stretch the upper part of the vertebra up, spine up. So shoulder blades are very important. So these are the basic movements, and they are very important. Without this, practicing asana carefully, that means effectively, it's very difficult. So these movements you should know first, and then go to asanas, any asana. Thank you for the attention. Hari Om.